Hello everyone, thank you for joining our product showcase. We're excited to share with you our MARC cart made by MuL Technologies. We obviously wish that we could be at the show and meet all of you face to face, shake your hand, and show you the product firsthand. And hopefully we can return to some level of normal next year and you can see the product in person. In the meantime, this is an opportunity for us to go through what MARC is and what it can do for you. MARC is a mobile autonomous robotic cart, thus the name. As we go through the product description, there are many things that you'll see that make MARC a very different product. Most robotics cost a lot of money, are hard to implement, require Wi-Fi, and you have to do infrastructure changes in order to accommodate their use. MARC, on the other hand, is Wi-Fi free. There's no need to hook up any infrastructure, no need for any external communication, no need for any pre-planning or need to get IT involved. It's also extremely easy to use. With our EasyGo navigation system, you can simply press buttons. If you hold them down, they're programmed. If you tap them, it executes your command. You'll see in the demonstration in a little bit how easy it is to use. MARC is also extremely economical. We intentionally designed it to use a balance of custom parts where needed and a lot of off-the-shelf parts where it's not needed. This kept the cost at a very reasonable price point. All of these aspects together are what make MARC a truly unique product for the marketplace and also the reason that it has the fastest ROI in the industry, and by far. MARC was designed with simple point-to-point navigation in mind. The use case covers anything where people are moving items from point A to point B. Just imagine if in your facilities you could replace the time spent for somebody walking boxes back and forth between shipping and inventory, and instead had a simple product that you could quickly program to any path, offering a way for the associates to spend their time on higher value activities. That's exactly what MARC is and what MARC does. When we talk about MARC being easy to deploy, we really mean it. Here's a video that goes through the entire process of setting up from the point it's received on the dock to the time that it's working for you, and it's less than 10 minutes total. One of the best features of the MARC cart is that you can implement it in any facility in less than 10 minutes. When the unit arrives, remove the top corrugated cover from over the cart. Remove the straps that hold the cart to the pallet bottom, and then gently lift the cart off the pallet and set it onto the floor. Remove the packaging from the area. Next, you'll want to unpack the battery, which ships in its own box. Remove the battery from the box and slide it into the battery holder until snug. Turn the key to the on position and press the power button. Once the unit is booted up, you can move it to the first location you wish to program. Once in that location, all you need to do is press and hold a button, in this case 1, until you hear the double beep. Once you hear the confirmation, you can move the cart to a second location of your choice that you wish to program. Once you've reached that second location, we're going to follow the exact same process and press and hold button number 2 until you hear the double beep confirmation. Once that's done, the cart is completely programmed. You can simply tap the opposite button, in this case 1, and the cart is on its way to that first destination. And that's all there is to it. MARC is ready to go to work for you. Your savings start immediately, and you can let your associates do things of higher value instead of carrying boxes around. So clearly MARC is easy to use and also extremely economical, but it's also a fully autonomous, feature-rich cart. This overview image of the cart shows many of the details that went into this product. First, to ensure that the world is mapped properly and the collisions are avoided, including dynamic obstacles, the MARC cart uses a pair of high-resolution 3D depth cameras, one at each end. It also contains 16 proximity sensors all the way around to prevent collisions with items in the immediate area. In addition to that, for mapping as well as collision avoidance, we have a LiDAR unit that rests above the robotic cart platform that's mounted to the bottom of the cart. In addition to that, to dictate status as well as direction of travel, we have a series of 8 LEDs that are on each of the legs, clearly visible from a long distance from any side of the cart. that indicate the direction of travel and indicate other statuses as well. Then for ease of use, we have the Easy Go panel that you saw in the video. It makes programming and using the cart a snap. And mounted to the bottom of the cart, we have the proprietary MuL robotic cart platform, which is really the brains of the entire system. The current MARC product lineup includes 2 different sized carts. We have the small cart, or Model 3470, and its big brother, the MARC 3475. And each of those are available in value and premium selections. The premium selection offers you dual 20-amp batteries to ensure that you're always able to have one battery charged and ready to go. In addition to the dual batteries, the premium models also include a 15-button version of the EasyGo navigation system, giving you more flexibility to program more stations and have them easily at hand. An extended warranty beyond the normal 1 year, and software upgrades as well. Both units have a load capacity of several hundred pounds, so large loads are no issue. And the best part is, the value version of each of the carts starts at under $10,000. Imagine being able to spend less than $10,000 and still not have to worry about any infrastructure, implementation challenges, or any other needs or requirements. As you saw in the video, you can actually use this product in less than 10 minutes and put it to work. So there you have it. That's a basic overview of the MARC product. As you can see, it's a radically different product than most of the robotics that are available. Many of the complex systems that are out there can cost millions of dollars to implement are certainly worth the while. But with MARC, any business can incorporate automation. Thanks very much again for participating in our product showcase, and we hope that the show is beneficial both to the exhibitors as well as the attendees, and that you can get some real value from it. Thank you very much for taking the time. And with that, we'll move to the Q&A session, and we'll be open for any questions that anyone might have.